In the last video, I said that if it got 200 views, we would make a part 2, and it did. So here's 7 more resume hacks.
Alright, let's look at this entry-level biomedical engineer position. So, for the qualifications are the education required. You must be able to work by yourself without supervision. That's a soft skill. You must have direct experience with medical devices and engineering experience. That is about the experience you have, more expertise, more thinking and skills, more skills right here. So most of this has to do with the skills. So let's look at this resume here. So the most important things that they're looking for, the education is somewhat important, but they're working for more experience, and they also want the skills and then what you've done to show that you have that much experience. They don't really care about the awards or additional information section in this example. So companies are really looking for quantifiable results of what you've done in the past. So right here, he noted that he has taught a class of over 75 students, and again, over 75 students per class for LC1, and then he's a representative of over 300 students, which means that he has a lot more responsibility than one of over like 10. And right here, he was in a team of 4 in less than 36 hours for this project, which means that it is very impressive what they did, especially for winning this challenge. Alright, so the third point is that the resume should be skimmable, but looking right here, this resume is 3 pages long, which means that it is not able to be read in a few seconds. But looking at the one that we saw before, this one is less than a page long, which means it could be read in only a few seconds over the major categories. So this one's what you should be reaching for and not the other one. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that you should be specific with what you are putting for the contents of your resume. So looking right here on this sample job for an EE internship, they're preferring that there's coursework and experience with signal processing, EM stuff, and digital design or RF design, and MATLAB and Python. So looking here, he has written that he has experience with RF, PCBs, RFIC, power electronics, as well as MATLAB and Python. So specifying your specific skills that tie into what the application's asking for is very useful for your resume to be looked at very positively.
So to continue on here, the 5th point is to modify your resume for different applications. This can mean having a baseline version that you then copy and make different versions when you're applying to different jobs. The 6th point is to use power verbs in your descriptions. Try to think of the bigger picture and let each line explain the scope of the impact you had within your experience. It helps to indent these points as well, so they don't clutter the titles. The final point here is to include links to your work. This is definitely not required, but a cool little Easter egg to add some interactability to your resume. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any of the videos. This probably won't be the last professional development video on this channel, so if this video gets to 200 views, we'll release the next one.
First off, I'ma tell y'all I'm not a rapper. Situation's a lot deeper if you peel back the rapper. I keep it rolling real smooth like a swivel caster, but I got songs that shaking rooms, but we'll play that after. They trying to replicate it, but there ain't no recipe. The copycats are haters, I killed them on that, they rest in peace. All my day ones, I thank y'all for waiting patiently. The hour's coming, it's almost done, so now I beg you please wait. I'm trying to line up the stars, make sure the time's right. See, there's a whole lot of pressure being in the limelight, but it's the same damn pressure making me shine bright. I gotta pick up the mic and go get the rhymes right. In this world with all the fiction, no, I keep it real. Secret to success, I gotta zip up and keep it still. The inner workers in my mind, they can never steal. Let me go and show you how I feel. Said everything's fine, keep on moving past, there ain't no need to press rewind. I told you everything's fine, kick back and stay relaxed, there ain't no clouding on my mind. Said everything's fine, sunshine's beaming down, there couldn't be a brighter day. I said everything's fine, no they're trying to kill my vibe, so tell the clowns get out my way.